Hello students, welcome to study time. I am going to continue giving you questions and answers on the chapter The Cell. Question 1. State some important points to show that the cell is an autonomous body. Point 1. A cell has its own reserve food material in the form of micromolecules. Point 2. These food molecules are oxidized inside the cell to produce energy, and this is released in the form of ATP. Next point. The body activities of which the cell is a part is controlled and coordinated by macromolecules. A cell synthesizes these macromolecules from the nutrient micromolecules and energy from ATP. Next point. A cell has the capacity to synthesize new living matter or protoplasm from these micromolecules, which can be utilized for growth and repair of worn out body parts. Next point. A cell has lysosomes within it. With the help of lysosomes, a cell is able to digest or dispose of its old and damaged cell organelles with the help of these lysosomes. Next point. Each cell follows a cell cycle and has a fixed lifespan, after which it either dies or is digested or it is divided into two cells as a result of cell division. The last point here. Therefore, cells can regulate all essential activities going on within them, and these maintain a physiochemical homeostasis internally. Question 2. Briefly compare the cellular autonomy in unicellular and multicellular organisms. Your answer. In the case of unicellular organisms, the cell is in direct contact with the environment and can itself carry on all activities in order to ensure a physiochemical homeostasis depending on its own information that it carries within itself. There is no question of division of labor, as the single cell has all the life activities being carried out within itself. In the case of multicellular organisms, each cell does not totally, each cell is not a totally, it has got a totally independent existence. There is a definite exhibition of division of labor, and due to this, cells of a multicellular organism become specialized to carry out some particular function. For example, conduction of nerve impulse by a nerve cell, secretion by gland cells, etc. Because of specialization, all cells do not perform each and every function like the unicellular organism, which is made up of one cell. For example, erythrocytes do not respire or are able to undergo cell division. Question 3. What are embryoids? Embryoids are embryo-like structures which are non-zygotic and are formed in vitro culture and can be grown into new plants. These are known as somatic embryos because these are formed from diploid vegetative cells. However, these grow into normal plants which develop from normal embryos. Question 4. What is totipotency? What is the concept of totipotency based on? Totipotency is actually the ability of the somatic cell to produce a complete organism. This concept is based on an understanding that each cell of an organism is actually derived from a fertilized egg, thus containing a complete set of genes which being present in its nucleus, and that itself has the capacity to form the whole organism. Thank you.